Hi, I am thrilled to introduce you this rooftop tent. It is our entry-level aluminum shell rooftop tent. It's perfect for those seeking a lightweight and slim design. The T21A rooftop tent is renowned for its ultra-lightweight and ultra-thin profile, measuring only 14 centimeters in thickness. This makes it simple to integrate with your vehicle's roof, providing a smooth and comfortable ride on your journeys. One of the standout features of this tent is its exceptional leak-proof design. The upper shell is constructed as a single piece without any joints or seams, ensuring complete leak-proof integrity. This design guarantees you will stay dry and comfortable during unexpected rain showers, making it ideal for camping in any weather. Adding to its versatility, both the upper and lower shells of the T21A rooftop tent feature side slots, providing a range of customization options. You can easily attach awnings, side panels, shower tents, crossbars, LED lights, and various other accessories to enhance your camping setup. This ensures you have all the necessary amenities at your disposal. Setting up the T21A rooftop tent is quick and easy, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the great outdoors. The tent offers ample space to accommodate multiple people, and the comfortable mattress ensures a restful night's sleep. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in comment. Overall, the T21A rooftop tent is the perfect addition to any camping trip. With its ultra-lightweight and ultra-thin design, leak-proof upper shell, and versatile side slots, it offers unparalleled convenience and comfort for your camping experience. We look forward to helping you elevate your camping adventures with this T21A rooftop tent, and welcome distributor and resellers to contact us for further business. If you'd like detailed specifications, please leave your email in the private chat window and we'll send a PDF catalog to you.